Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing Wazuh on Ubuntu 22.04. Wazuh is a powerful open source security monitoring solution, and by the end of this video, you'll have it up and running on your own Ubuntu server. So, let's get started. Before we begin the installation process, it's essential to make sure that your apt repository is up to date. This step ensures that you have access to the latest package information and versions. So, let's open up the terminal. Run the command sudo apt update to update your apt repository. Now, let's download and execute the Wazuh Installation Assistant script. This script simplifies the installation process, making it easy to get Wazuh up and running. Enter the command in your terminal. I will provide this command in the description. This command downloads the Wazuh installation script and runs it automatically, taking care of everything for you. Once the installation is complete, you'll see some important information in your terminal, including your Wazuh server credentials. Make sure to copy these credentials, they're essential for logging into your Wazuh dashboard. To access your Wazuh server, open your web browser and navigate to https://your_server_ip 443. Replace your _server_ip with the actual IP address of your server. When prompted, log in using the credentials you copied earlier. Welcome to the Wazuh scene dashboard. From here, you can start exploring the various features Wazuh offers, such as monitoring your infrastructure, detecting threats, and more. And that's it. You've successfully installed Wazuh on Ubuntu 22.04 and accessed the scene dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.